Have you ever wondered what happens when a law meant to combat interstate prostitution is accused of being biased and discriminatory? That's exactly what Sean Diddy Combs' lawyers are arguing in their attempt to dismiss a charge against their client under the Mann Act, or White Slave Traffic Act, from 1910. Um, Diddy, a hip hop mogul, is facing charges for transporting someone for prostitution. Uh, his lawyers claim that the law has historically targeted Black men, using notable figures like Chuck Berry and Jack Johnson as evidence of this disparity. They argue that no white individual has faced a comparable prosecution in a manner analogous to Diddy's situation. The Mann Act was originally intended to combat interstate prostitution, making it illegal to transfer people between states for the purposes of prostitution, excessive indulgence, or any other immoral activity. Is also However, Diddy's lawyers argue that the law has functioned in a racially discriminatory manner, often used to prosecute well-known Black men, such as Jack Johnson and Chuck Berry. In 2008, former New York Governor Eliot Spitzer was embroiled in a scandal involving prostitution. Although those running the escort service faced charges under the Mann Act, Spitzer himself avoided these charges. Diddy's lawyers argue that it is a common pattern among affluent, high-profile couples to incorporate third parties into their intimate relationships, often for compensation, either explicitly or implicitly. Diddy's legal team argues that the Mann Act has frequently functioned in a racially discriminatory manner, with the focus on the subject of Black male sexuality. They claim that no individual, and undoubtedly no white person, has ever faced charges under the White Slave Traffic Act for employing male escorts from another state. Before single escort, as a lifestyle expert, I'm sharing an update about a music sensation from Bad Boy Records. He finds himself behind bars as he's been turned down thrice by two distinct judges regarding his bail requests. His upcoming criminal trial, set for May 5th, will keep him incarcerated until then. He is facing life in prison if he is found guilty of the racketeering charge. And in conclusion, Diddy's lawyers are raising important questions about the fairness and impartiality of a law that has been in place for over a century. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,